Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save a snap on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So guys, I'm here in my Android device. I'm going to be teaching you accordingly. So first thing first, just go with the Snapchat app and log in with your account. Once you do that, let's go to the chat option and let's go to the snap. So guys, this is the snap. So I want to save it. So just let me view it once. So this is the snap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press on the snap, and then a series will appear like this. Let's say a menu option or the options where you can have something like save in chat. So this applies when a person send a snap which can be saved. So if there is a time limit, you cannot save a snap. So over here I can save a snap by just clicking on the save in chat. Now let me go to chat and you can see you saved a snap, or like message will be there. So this is the snap that the person sent. So that's how you're going to be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.